A pleasant morning, my dear children. Today in Bioscience, we are going to see lesson 18, the continuation of lesson 18, that is organization of tissues. In the past lesson, we had seen different types of animal tissues. At present, we are going to see the cell division. Okay, before entering into the topic, we are going to know what is meant by a cell division. Do you know that all living organisms are made up of a cell? Isn't it? Yes, all living organisms are made up of cell. Even plants and animals are made up of cell. That is, each living organism is made up of several million cells. But while it starts their life, it develops from a single cell. That is, single cell which goes on cell division and develops into an entire animal or an organism by a cell division. You may know that a single cell will give rise to an entire huge organism. Okay, for example, even we are human, we are also developed from a single cell, that is the egg cell. This egg cell goes on cell division, it develops into an embryo, into a fetus, then a baby. Then after the birth of the baby, the cells are multiplied and the baby will slowly growing into an adult and a human. So cell division is a common phenomenon of all living organisms. Okay, all cells reproduce by division. We know that all living organisms can reproduce, isn't it? Yes, that all living organisms reproduce. Even the cells are also reproduce. Okay, even the cells are also reproduce. How they reproduce? Through the division. That is, a single cell through division is split up into two cells. That is called reproduction. That is called reproduction. That a single cell produce the daughter cells. That is called as cell division. Okay. Now we are going to see what are the different types of cell division. There are three types of cell division in an animals. Okay. Actually, there are three types of cell division in an animals. That is particularly in animal cell consists of three types of cell division. That is, first one, it is amitosis. It is amitosis, that is a direct cell division. Then second one, it is mitosis, it is an indirect cell division. Then third one, it is meiosis, reduction division. I hope you all heard this term mitosis and meiosis in the lower class itself. I think so. Okay. Now we are going to see what is amitosis, what is mitosis, and what is meiosis in detail of each cell division. Okay. Now we are going to see a detail about amitosis. What is amitosis actually? That we are going to see. First one, amitosis. That is, it is a simple mode of cell division. What will happen means, that is during the cell division, it will occurs in the unicellular animals. Only unicellular means a single celled organism having this type of cell division. Okay, we all heard about the single celled organisms, amoeba, paramecium, like that. No, these are example for single celled organisms. Occurs in this type of amitotic cell division occurs in such type of single celled organisms. They can produce young daughter cells with the help of this amitosis. Okay, when this amitosis happen means during aging the cells and its fetal membrane. Okay, that is the aging cells. Aging cells means that is when the cells get matured, aged. The such type of cells undergoes the same mitosis only. Even the fetal membrane means when the baby is inside the mother's uterus, it is called fetus. It is covered by a protective membrane. Such membrane is called as fetal membrane. Even this fetal membrane is also developed by this amitosis. Okay, clear? That is, amitosis occurs in the unicellular animals. Okay, then what will happen during this amitosis? First, what will happen means, look at this picture. This is a single cell. Okay, this is a single cell. Cell contains, what is it? This is a nucleus. Okay, each and every cell contains the nucleus. Then what will happen during amitosis means, first this nucleus will elongate. What will happen? This nucleus will elongate. In the second picture, we are clearly seeing this nucleus is elongated. First, the nucleus gets elongated and a construction appears in which deepens and divides the nucleus into two. What will happen means when the nucleus elongates, what will happen means there is a construction, there is a cut in between these two, so that nucleus will be split into two. After the splitting of the nucleus, what will happen means this is cytoplasm. Remaining portion inside the cell, that is called as cytoplasm. What will happening means cytoplasm also there will be a construction. Look at this. This is a construction. Here the cytoplasm also splitting the cell into equal halves. This cytoplasm also dividing. So what will happen means this division goes on inside and comes in contact with each other. So the cell get split up into two. That a single cell will develops into a young daughter cell. One parent cell, another daughter cells will be formed. That finally at the end of A mitotic division, what will happen? A single cell produce another daughter cell. This type of cell division is called as A mitosis. Okay, clear? This type of cell division is called as A mitosis. Then what is mean by mitosis? Okay, I know that you will be clear about this A mitosis. Clear? That is a single cell. First, elongation will appears in the nucleus. Then what will happen? This nucleus will be split into two. Then after that, what will happen? The cytoplasm also, it is splitting into two. So that what will happen? The nucleus also splitting and cytoplasm also splitting. So at the end of cell division, what will happen? A parent cell and a daughter cell will be produced. Two daughter cells will be produced. Okay. Second cell division is what? It is mitosis. What is it? It is mitosis. Mitosis. This is mitosis. Second one, mitosis. This mitosis cell division was first discovered by Fleming in 1879. This type of cell division was discovered by Fleming in 1879. In this type of cell division, one parent cell divides into two identical daughter cells. Here, this is the parent cell. It develops into two identical daughter cells. Like that, in mitosis also the same. But there are some differences in this mitosis. Each with the nucleus having the same amount of DNA. Here, what will happen means the genetic material that is inside the nucleus, the genetic material will be present. Okay, you know that? That is inside the nucleus, the genetic material, that is DNA, is present. During this mitotic division, what will happen means this genetic material will be separated and it will be equally shared by the two daughter cells in this mitotic division.